Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Ryan Michelle, and on today's video I will be sharing my summer home decor with you. I will also be sharing what I got in my last shop with me video, so make sure you stick around and watch the entire video. The areas in my house that I will be refreshing and doing a little revamp to is the dining area, the kitchen, and the half bath. I did have a previous summer decorate with me video, but I felt like I needed a little bit of change in my life, especially with this quarantine going on. You know, you just get tired of looking at the same stuff in the same area. So sometimes I feel like I have to do that to make myself feel better. So if you have to do that, go ahead and do that. I swear it makes you feel a whole lot better. If you are new here, I'm a military wife, I'm a stay-at-home mama of 4, and on my channel you can find cleaning motivation, organization, and home decor. I hope you consider subscribing. I hope you stick around and watch the entire video. It does help and support my channel so much. Make sure you like this video. I'm going to stop talking and let's get to the video. First, I'll be showing you guys what I got from my home goods shop with me. The tissue holder will be used differently. I'll actually be placing those blue towels inside of it as like a little display. The eat, drink, enjoy sign will be used in my eating area, of course. And those are the blue towels. Now, this beautiful box right here, y'all, I just could not leave it. The candle smelled amazing, and I just couldn't leave it. It was just so cute. Look at it, so dang cute. This small white pitcher will be used in my kitchen. Well, everything right here will be used in my kitchen. This candle smelled amazing. I'm really not a candle girl, but if I find a good candle that has a really good smell, I'll get it. This cake plate was so cute. I could not leave it. I had cake plates before, but not like this. I got them from the Target dollar spot, and I actually sold them, but I like this cake plate better. The color of this picture was so pretty. It can actually be used for fall too, and I had to buy some new soap because my kids broke my soap dispenser. And then these cups will be going on my little coffee bar. They were cute too. Now let's talk about these shelves. They are so pretty. I couldn't leave these either. These will be going in my bathroom. And I'm going to put a few of the decor items that I talked about earlier on top. This gather sign will be going in my kitchen area. And I needed another soap dispenser for my kitchen. So, well, not my kitchen, for my half bath. So yeah, you're going to see how I style these items. Y'all, I just cleaned this bathroom. Just look at it. Look at it. They already messed it up. And let's talk about the bathroom. So this picture on the wall was purchased from Marshall's. I want to say it was around $24. It couldn't have been no more than $30. These towels I do switch out every year for spring. So spring/summer. Now this picture was my favorite. I bring this one out to around springtime. I would say around March. This right here was from Target. I want to say it was around $12.99, and I will be moving this out of the bathroom and putting this into the kitchen area. The baskets, I've had this basket forever. I usually move it out throughout the house, but it's been in my bathroom for about a year now, and I think I'll just be leaving it in the bathroom. This small fake plant was purchased from Marshall's. The price tag is not on it anymore, but it was probably $4.99, $3.99. And yes, you just seen Lauren's foot. I'm holding her. I've been thinking about putting a rug in this bathroom, but the way my boys are, it will be a no. So this is my dining area. Let's talk about this table. How? I don't know. How do you just break the whole center of the table? When I tell y'all my boys are rough, y'all, I think y'all think I be lying, but they tear up everything. Look at this table. And I went to find them a new table from IKEA because I'm just tired of looking at it. And the IKEA line was wrapped around the door. So, yeah, I'll be back. IKEA, but I didn't go in there that day. Now, my table area. This table is from Ashley's Furniture. These placemats I picked up from Hobby Lobby. And y'all excuse the toys and the hair grease. Like I said, I did buy these placemats from Hobby Lobby. They are tearing up on one of the placemats, so they're not really bad quality. They are actually okay. They are a little bit hard to clean. This centerpiece, the greenery was from Target Dollar Spot, and the lemons were from Target. I think the pack of lemons may have been $10.99. This bowl was from Marshall's, and the tray was from Marshall's too. Now this tray is one of my favorite trays. I wish I would have got 2 or 3 of them because I just love the color. I love wood. I love neutral colors, and white is my favorite. So I did get this shelf from Home Goods as well, and it will be going in this eating area. If you watch some of my older videos, this plant right here was dead. She was sick, and my husband used something and brought her back to life. Sis is over here flourishing now. This Eat sign was purchased from Burlington for $24.99. The reason I'm not sure on the prices is because I've had these pieces for a minute now, and it's just hard to remember how much they were because I do take the tags off. I will be moving these 2 signs around. The bottom sign was from Marshall's, and the top one was from Michael's. Y'all, I really didn't mean to get 2 signs that said the same thing. I don't even know how it happened, but I bought the bottom one first, and then the second one I just bought later on, and I actually like the top one a whole lot better than the bottom one, so I will be taking that one down. And I have another plant. I am a plant mom, but I'm just not a good mom because I forget to water them. My husband and my daughter water the plants. Yeah, such a bad mom. My table is from Ashley's Furniture. The bench and the chairs were from Amazon. I would suggest when buying furniture from bigger stores, check on Amazon first. Just put the code in and put it on Amazon, and I promise you it might be like $200 off, because the chairs right here were, one chair was $179 in Ashley's Furniture, but I got 2 for $150 on Amazon. So check out Amazon first. And if you are enjoying this video so far, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and find me on Instagram at mommyanddecorate_Ryan. And also, if you are not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. My style is more simple, minimal, modern, farmhouse, and it's okay to have more than one style. I feel like styles change with, different seasons of your life. I would love to be more glam. I would love for my home to be more glam. But right now, as you can see, my Rugrats will not let me have glass or anything at the moment. So here I moved my table around. I wasn't too sure on having the chairs on this side. So as you can see in this clip, I moved the bench on this side. And I like it this way much better. And it's kind of easier for the kids So guys, this is the before and this is the after. It looks so simple, so clean. I added touches of yellow with the lemons. Everything I did shop my home. The bless sign on the centerpiece was in my front room, and the centerpiece, everything was already at in my home. So yeah, I just added the touches of lemon with it. And the gallery wall was my favorite. I am so in love with gallery walls. I have them throughout my home. The wreath that was in the bathroom, this is it. The family is everything sign was in the front room. And everything on this shelf was in my home already too.
You know it's creeping up on me. This frostbite gets deep into my bloodstream. Just trying to make the most of it. Babe, I miss your body. You make some kind of fire within me. It's almost like it's burning through my skin. Make myself feel warmer when you're near. Whenever you're near, come close. 'Cause I wanna be by your side. Wanna be by your side. Come close. Get under my skin.
So I did decide to change up this area just a little bit. I just wanted to remove the pictures and put up something else.
For some brighter days. 'Cause I'm falling in the snow, it's getting knee deep. You make some kind of fire within me. It's almost like it's burning through my skin. Make myself feel warmer when you're near. Whenever you're near, come close.
So this is the before clip of my bathroom. So this vase was from my living room. I just added it in here because it went with the blue scheme. The shelf, I did add that. I bought 2 shelves, but 2 shelves just did not fit that wall. So I only left 1. This greenery and the vase was already in my home, and I added the candle and the tissue holder. This is the before of my kitchen. Less is more in the kitchen, so I only added a few yellow pieces to the kitchen. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe. My next Decorate With Me video will be for the fall, so make sure you are subscribed so you will not miss that video. If you are still here with me right now, leave me some sunshine emojis in the comment section. I also want to thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and just leave me a comment. And I will see you guys next time.